Good morning class. Today we will discuss about concept of growth and development. So first we will define what do you mean by growth. What do you mean by growth? So what do you mean by growth? Growth is increase in size or mass. Increase in size and mass of tissues, mass of tissue or body parts. So how we are knowing that we are growing? For example, our weight is increasing, our height is increasing, our body mass index, it is also going to change. That means we are growing each and every day. Mid upper arm circumference, head circumference, chest circumference, all these are changing and growing. So that means there is increase in mass and size. So that's why we are knowing that we are growing. So it is a quantitative change in a body. It is a quantitative change. So what do you mean by quantitative? Quantitative means that you can measure into quantity. Quantity means in number you can able to measure. For example, you can measure height into centimeter or inches. For example, when the birth of a baby is taking place, the newborn height or length, the newborn length is 45 to 50 centimeter. Okay, but at the adult age, the height it is going to increase. It may be 162, it may be 164 centimeter. So that means the person is growing. So we can able to measure. So that's why we are calling it as a quantitative change. So for example, height, weight of a baby we can able, or a person we can able to measure in kg or in pounds. Pounds we will call, measure it into lb, denote with lb. Second, now we will define what do you mean by development. Development means physiological and functional maturation. Physiological and functional maturation. So either the physiological maturation, physiological means all the body system. For example, our brain, it has to function. Our heart, it has to mature. Next, our sexual activities or puberty period or emotions, they have to be changed. So that means how the system or the physiology of any body or an organ, it is going to mature. We will call it as development. So development, it is a qualitative change. It is a qualitative change. Qualitative change means we can able to describe ki, for example, the person is behaving, or the IQ level of a person. According to the IQ level, we can able to identify whether the person is having normal IQ or high IQ level, or the person is having excellent IQ level. So that means the person is developing. So that was related with the definition of growth and development. Now we will define periods of growth and development. So the periods we will define, or we will describe in two terms. One is prenatal period, second is postnatal period. Prenatal means when the baby is inside intrauterine. When the baby is inside the womb or uterus of the mother, we will call it as prenatal. Pre means before, natal means birth. That means before birth. So the baby, it will be inside the uterus of the mother. So we will describe this period into three parts. One we will call as zygote, second we will call as embryo, third we will call it as fetus. So from the after fertilization till 14 days or 2 weeks period, we will call it as a zygote. From 2 weeks till 8 week of the period, we will call it as embryo, and fetus we will call it as from 9 week till birth of the baby, we will call it as fetus. So this period was including into the prenatal, before birth. Postnatal means, post means after, natal means birth, after birth of the baby. So that means we will call it as newborn. So newborn, or we will call it as a neonate. So neonate is 0 to 28 days period after birth, 0 to 28 days. Neonate means, neo means new, nate means birth, that means new birth or a newborn also we can able to call. So neonate, it is classified into two. One is early neonate, second is late neonate. Early neonate is 0 to 7 days period. 0 means after birth till 7 days. That means 1 week of the baby we will call early neonate. Late neonate is 7 to 28 days. We will call as late neonate. After 28 days till 1 year. After 28 days till 1 year, we will call newborn as an infant. Infant is 28 days till 1 year. Then we will call toddler. Toddler is 1 to 3 year of age. Preschooler. Preschooler is 3 to 6 year of age before the child is going to the school. Pre means before, school matlab before going to the school. Then schooler. Schooler is 6 to 12 year of age. Schooler is 6 to 12 year of age. Then adolescents. Adolescents is 12 to 18 year of age. 12 to 18 year of age. Adolescence has been divided into early adolescence, middle adolescence, and late adolescence. Early adolescence is 12 to 14 year of age, middle is 14 to 16 year of age, and late is 16 to 18 year of age. So why we are saying in the first class we have discussed that the child or the person before birth till adolescence, has been included into pediatric. So we have included the periods into two. One is prenatal, second is postnatal. Prenatal means we are having zygote, embryo and the fetus. Zygote is 0 to 14 days. Zygote is also known as fertilized ovum. Fertilized ovum. When the ovum is fertilized, we will call it as zygote, 0 to 14 days. Embryo is 2 to 8 weeks. Fetus is 9 weeks till birth of a baby. Then postnatal period is after birth, and we will call as neonate. Two neonates. One is early, second is late neonate. Next is infant, toddler, preschooler, schooler, adolescents. Adolescents are early adolescents, middle adolescents, and late adolescents. Thank you class. This all was related with periods of growth and development and definition of growth and development. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.